Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are on the Insider program, the changes to the Insider program are starting to roll out. The first wave of users that are getting changes is the Dev channel. And in the latest Dev update, some of you will now see that you have an option which is different. You will have select your experience, and you will have the experimental option for dev that will be there. And it will also tell you that you can move on to another experience like beta and so on. So this is the first ring to have the change. Microsoft says that it will roll this in waves, and that after dev, the Canary builds will be the ones that will have the change. If you're on the Canary build that has the 28,000 build number, you will be sent to a experimental channel for 26H1. And if you are on 29,500 and more, I'm on 29576 here, you will have experimental future features. So it's like this is going to be future builds. It's experimental features that might never make it, but that will be tried on your device for example, 26H2 and the future, and so on. So yeah, those rings are slowly starting to change, and hopefully it's going to bring back more interest in the Insider program. The other thing also that they wanted to mention as this is rolling out is that there was a big problem in listening to the feedback from the Windows Insiders and seeing all the telemetry to identify problems. And they say that this time around, they will be looking at it more intensely. They will learn from that experience, and hopefully this will make the future builds and the future Windows for everybody more stable and more interesting in terms of features. So slowly things are really changing, and we could see that week after week. We already see a few changes here and there of the promises that we have from the Windows team at Microsoft. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.